This is just a disclaimer. As we begin this video, I want to make one thing clear. So when I booked the tickets to this event, I assumed that it would be something else, and it ended up being something completely different. So it was a learning experience for me to actually understand what community psychology is all about. Initially, I thought this was an event where a whole community comes together to celebrate psychology and the different advances in psychological research. That's what I assumed when I booked the ticket. My fault, I should have probably read the about event section, which I didn't. But it was thoroughly enjoyable, especially considering that I could understand what this new emerging area of psychology is. Join me on this vlog as I discover community psychology for myself. Ever wondered what a community coming together to celebrate psychological achievements would look like? Me neither. But as a student of psychology, I think I should. I found a community psychology festival that was going to be held around 2 miles from where I was. To get there though, since I'm late, I can't be walking today. I have classes at around 12:10. Skin kinda looks terrible. That's because I just woke up. I wish the psychology festival was free though. That way I could have decided, if I decided to not go, it wouldn't be a loss. But guess what? I just verified on uni days. So I get a free Uber ride. So I'm booking an Uber X. So that's insane. Yep, my cab is gonna be here now.
I was born here.
You're born here, okay.
From parents from Pakistan.
Oh, that's cool. Which part of Pakistan, bro?
Near Faisalabad.
Faisalabad, okay. I'm trying to document my life in the UK. Okay. And Urdu with mom?
English.
English? Wait. Is your mom English? I'm here at the location. Just gotta find the entrance. Where Grange Pavilion is?
Yeah.
This is the one?
This is it.
Okay, alright.
This is it. And the entrance is just around here.
Alright, thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a nice day. Excuse me. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
You fine? There's a community psychology festival that's happening. Thank you so much. Thank you.
My death, I took loads of pills and drink and ended up in a coma for 10 days. When I woke up, I was diagnosed with sarcoidosis, a disease that had already damaged my lungs and organs. I had chemo while I was homeless, living in a hostel with no heating, no phone, no food.
I think this is a great place for a segue. What is community psychology? Community psychology is a field that focuses on the study of how individuals relate to their communities and the reciprocal effect of communities on individuals. Through understanding this complex interplay, those working in this field are able to research community issues, analyze the data, and recommend interventions that promote community wellness. Community psychology isn't just about helping individuals, it's about empowering whole communities. It tries to look beyond just therapy rooms, and it tries to ask the tough questions. How does our environment, our culture, and our relationships with individuals shape our mental well-being?
We see similar patterns here in the UK, and if so, where? So to understand this further, we just wanted to take a look at where these same conditions have taken root. So that's what my project set out to explore.
To share his story, it took a lot of time and building that trust to get to the point of doing that. And this was collected as part of our storytelling project, where with the intervention stage, because the main thing was that they wanted to share their voice in the name of our project.
one of the paper presenters who was a professor of psychology at the University of Bath. I had to help her out by recording the session that she was taking, and that ended up finishing my battery. So right now I'm having to shoot this on my phone. The session, there was one more session which I will unfortunately be missing. So there's 2 more sessions which I will be missing because I have to be in class. I have a class at 3:10. I had one at 12:10 as well, but I missed that because I had paid for this and I didn't want to miss it. So yeah, I'm gonna head to college now. That's the Wales flag. Love the vibe that this is giving me. And I can't believe this is the walk towards college. Love it. This is an epic walk. If this is how walks are, I will never complain about having to walk to college. He's hiding on nut, I guess. Man, this is my walk to class. This looks like Jurassic Park. Looks like some ancient forest trees and not like regular trees.
Say for to Wicca that the mythological argument is that
Today, community psychology is more relevant than ever. According to the World Health Organization, over 1 billion people, billion with a B, are living with mental health conditions worldwide. That's nearly 1 in 8 of us. And research shows that strong social networks can drastically reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. At its heart, community psychology reminds us, changing lives begins with changing the systems that we live in.
If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm a college student and I really try hard. I promise you the quality of the content will only improve from here on out.